In today's video, I will walk you through on how to use Shopify. Shopify is a great platform to market your business throughout the internet. Whether you're selling DIY products, dropshipping, print-on-demand digital products, or any services. Now, in your web browser, search for shopify.com. And if you don't have an account yet, just click the Start Free Trial and sign up using your email or using Google, Apple, or Facebook. Since I have my account already, so I'll just need to log in. Now, in the homepage of your Shopify store, you can see here the setup guide, such as adding your first product, sell online, store settings, and launch your online store. So, at the left side navigation, you'll see the order section here. So in this feature, you can track and manage your customer's order by creating draft, and the abandoned checkout allows you to contact your customers who added your items into their cart but never check out. Also, we have the product section here. So if you have already a product prepared, you can just tap add product and fill out all the information here, such as the titles, description, the pictures of your product, category, the pricing, and then the shipping, inventory, and then there are also the collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, gifts, and for customer section, you can add customers and manage their details like adding their order history and group customers into segments. Also, we have the content section where it allows you to group fields and connect them to different part of your store. Now, in the analytics section, you can see the overall view of your product such as the sales order, returning customers, and your gross sales. And if you want to advertise your store or product, you can check it here in this marketing section. So you can track all your campaigns and analytics. And if you want to add discounts for your item, you can set up through navigating discount section. So all you have to do here is just create discounts, and these discounts will be automatically applied when the customer check out your product. And then the sales channel. So you can set up an online store here. So all you have to do is to choose a template by clicking the customize, or if you know how to code, just click edit code. And if you want to add additional features, just click the apps and search a feature you want to add, for example, booking. So you will be redirected into Shopify App Store, and then they will recommend you different appointment booking applications here, which you can integrate it into your online store. And if you want to add payment methods, just tap settings and then navigate the payments and then set up these payment providers here, in which we have in our separate video. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.